feels like we are all on the never-ending quest for glowing skin. And yes, we know all about CTM. But if your regular routine just isn't cutting it by itself, we have a few extra steps that you can add on that will give glow up a whole new meaning. Before we get to that, this video is sponsored by Good Vibes and we've partnered with them for a glamorous exclusive offer. But more on that later, so keep watching. Caught between physical and chemical exfoliants? Get the best of both worlds with this fresh scrub. Just blend 1/4 cup of pineapple puree, 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of ground orange peels. While you massage it into your skin, the enzymes in the pineapple melt dead cells while the orange peel scrubs away dirt and the lactic acid in the yogurt hydrates and balances. Rinse it off and you will start to see the dullness melt away. When it comes to radiant skin, you just can't beat the powerhouse ingredient that is rosehip. The antioxidants in it instantly brighten and tighten your skin and reduce wrinkles. Get the most out of it in a serum like the Good Vibes Radiant Glow Rosehip Face Serum. That's so light that it'll sink right in with no greasiness left behind. Not only is it infused with rosehip, it also has a superhero blend of oils like jojoba, almond, sesame and vitamin E. Use it by applying a couple drops at the end of your skincare routine to restore that healthy glow so it sticks around every day of the week. If this serum sounds amazing to you, then you will love this even more. Good Vibes is an exciting new beauty brand with exotic ingredients just like rosehip that are also super potent and have no baddies like parabens or sulfates, and the best part is it's super affordable too. We've partnered with them for a series of videos that will help you with all things beauty, and we have a great offer for you as well. You know the feeling a cold, refreshing popsicle gives you on a hot day? Well, it does the same for your skin by shrinking pores and boosting blood circulation. It also helps lock your products into your skin. So applying it right after a serum, make sure your skin's sealed in every drop. Fill an ice cube tray or popsicle tray with your favorite ingredient, whether it's green tea, rose water, milk, or even coffee. We're going with rice water because it instantly brightens your skin. Add in a few chunks of lemon to reduce spots and cucumber for a little soothing and hydration. Once it's frozen, rub it all over your face and neck anytime for a natural rosy flush. We're sure these steps will help you finally achieve truly radiant skin that glows from within. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.